This structure was built to house the San Antonio National Bank, organized by George W. Brackenridge and others in 1866, as the first federally chartered banking institution in the city. Cyrus L. W. Eidlitz, a New York architect, designed the building using limestone mined from area quarries. Completed in 1886, it served as the fourth structure for the bank. The Victorian design features Moorish arches, ornate ironwork, and a decorative southeast corner tower. The bank occupied the facility until 1970.
Here's what the plaque doesn't tell you. The man who built this bank, George W. Brackenridge, was ran out of Texas during the Civil War. He openly supported the Union, while his three brothers fought for the Confederacy. Brackenridge fled to New Orleans and became a U.S. Treasury agent. Then he came back, walked right into San Antonio, a city full of men who fought against everything he stood for, and founded its first federally chartered bank. Became a regent at the University of Texas, and when Governor Pa Ferguson tried to defund the entire university in 1917, Brackenridge offered to pay its entire operating budget out of his own pocket. 2 years. A bank president ready to bankroll the flagship university because the governor wouldn't. He never married, gave away his entire fortune to schools, parks, and scholarships. The man Texas drove out for being a Unionist died one of the greatest people the state has ever known. His name is on parks, hospitals, and a dorm at UT, but the Limestone Bank on Commerce Street? This is where he rebuilt his life in the city that once wanted him gone. Another piece of forgotten Texas.